Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst, and this video is for Senseonics, which has a ticker symbol of Sens, S-E-N-S, and what is happening today. It was up almost 18%, even after market it is up 4.4%, but look at here. The current price is 3.78, and what happened at one point it went all the way to 3.97, which is close to $4. So it was up. So something is happening, right? And you can see it is just here. So if you can remember, in my last video, which came on June 3rd, I talked about it because at that time the share price was around 2.81. So from 2.8, this is currently at $3.81 increase for a stock which was only $2.8. So a very nice gain. And I talked about and I spent some time describing the product, their previous study result, what is coming, and also the FDA approval they're waiting. So if you do not know anything about this particular company, please go and check my previous video. I'm going to leave a description at top of the screen, so just go and watch that particular video. But again, a very solid day, and these lines were previously drawn, and nice to see that after market it came and stopped right at 3.77, and I will show you why 3.77. You can see it here. At the same time, when I go back to my main chart, 3.77, that's my resistance. I'll go back there, but this one is just maintaining it, so a nice one. Anyway, so if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you like this particular video, please hit the like button and also join my community and get some early access to chart and everything. Like in my community, I post some member specific thing when something is ready to break out or some kind of news, so they get some early information during trading hour. I make videos, it takes time, but on the other hand, when in my community I just do live update. So anyway, so whoever has listened and made some money, congratulations. So Senseonics source on positive glucose monitoring test study results. So in my last video I talked about it. So the result came for the 180-day CGM result. So please check my previous video again. And in this video I just want to talk about the price action. So look at the average volume, which is 35 million shares, and today's volume is 95, so almost 3 times more shares are traded today, which is really a good thing. More and more people are coming. At the same time, look at the option activity. Like if you look at July 16th option expiry date, look at the open interest. 37,000 call options are still open for a strike price of 5, and the bid price is 0.5, so the break even is 5.5. Maybe they bought the option way before it was 5, but anyway, 5 is the strike price. So 37,000 call options are waiting for this to hit $5. And don't forget, it went to 5.5 previously. Look at the option expiring, the near one, which is 18th of June. Still there are 23,000 call options are waiting for this to hit $4, and after market it went to $4. So these are some kind of indication what people are predicting in future. Look at October 15th, the open interest is still too far, but maybe you get the sense, right? So now let's come back to the chart and see what is happening. So it was here 2.8, then the result of their 180-day CGM came and that thing flew. But what happened? It came from 2.5, it hit a resistance of 3.2. The next day was a dragonfly candle. You see the green candle here, it is the indication that next day it will do good. So next day what happened? It broke the resistance of 3.2. then the next day was not bad, it was red compared to the previous day, but you see the low of the day was not lower than the previous day. So for all these daily candle, you can see that each day it is making a higher low and higher highs, so which is a nice trend, right? So the trend, if I just draw the line here just for you on a daily candle, not a hourly or minute candle, but on a daily basis, you see looking really nice, it is going upward. So the next resistance was at 378. So what happened today? Let me go back to a 5-minute chart so you will see why this is important. And this 3.78 was drawn based on the past experience. I will show you, it was not drawn today, plus close to, you see, 3.75, 3.78, it doesn't matter. So it went there, hit the resistance, came down, then it came around 3.4 area and it bounced from 3.4. You see, previously 3.4 was a resistance, now it became a support. So 3.4 became a support and it is starting going up, and after market it is close, it went almost $4 and currently it is over 3.78. So let me go to 1 hour just to show that these lines are not coming randomly. So 3.2, you see, it was a resistance for so long, and the 3.78 line, it is coming from here. You see the high here, you see the support here. So 3.78 came from here. I think the next resistance at top will be 4.3 something, right? So what's going to happen? So tomorrow we have to see what is the pre-market. So if the market opens even higher, or if we open high then come down and bounced off that 3.78 line, that would be the best thing. It will make sure that 3.78 or 3.75, you know the range, right? So that will become a new support, then this thing will push towards $4 or even 4.36. But in case we come down or we can't break 3.78, this area, I think this one will come down and retest 3.4 or maybe 3.2. So if you haven't established your position, maybe you can think about these layers. On the other hand, if you are long, and definitely just hold it for longer and longer. So if you're long term, then definitely this is a good thing, because Senseonics, this is a long term hold, because when the FDA approval will come, and if they get the approval, this thing will fly towards $6, $7 or $10. And you also know that they are working with a 365-day CGM monitoring system. So once that thing will hit, then definitely it will go outside the park. So see, last time it went up to 5.5 and currently we are close to $4. So yeah, it can definitely go and retest 5.5 again. So again, as I mentioned, this is a long-term hold. So finally, just want to talk about the call option here, because if you want to buy a call option, buy and forget, maybe again you can try with a long expiration date, which is called leap option. So basically, if you choose January 2023, it will give you 589 days to expire. And look at the numbers here. So if you think it can go to 5 or 5.5, you can easily take a 4 or 4.5 strike. So if you take the 4 strikes, so 4 plus 2 is 6, so your break even is 6. But keep that in mind, you have 2 years, and by 2 years hopefully they will get their 180-day approval in US, at the same time 365 days of approval. And if those approvals are coming within next 2 days, this thing will not stay at $6, it will go to 10, 20. So again, if you just want to buy and forget, you can try with the leap call option. On the other hand, you can buy whenever there is a dip, you can buy, but again, it's up to you how you want to play with shares or call options. But anyway, just wanted to bring this video to your attention, because this thing is exploding. The last time we talked it was 2.8, currently this is 3.8, and this thing has the potential. But watch for pre-market, because it seems like at 4 it came down, and maybe if the support at 3.7 it is broken, this thing can come towards 3.4 or even 3.2. So do not just blindly jump, watch the pre-market, watch the first half an hour of the market, then you can decide how you want to play. So again, look at the chart today. The run-up started after 12 p.m. right? It was not in the morning, it started after 12 p.m. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.